Hi friends! Thanks for clicking by to see my Walmart haul. I got most of these items for next year's boxes as I'm almost done packing for this year. I got this 2-pack of doll clothes for a friendship box. They were $6, not bad for a 2-pack. One says best and the other one says friends. I have the perfect dolls that these will fit on. And so I also got for $1.50. These were $1.50 each. They're backpack pouches. They have clips to clip to a backpack or clip to anything really. These are coloring books, Colors of the World. I got these for $1. I love to include these in my boxes. I wish I had gotten these a couple days ago before I packed my Rainbow Dash box. These were 48 cents. I got these 2 boxes of Spark brand 24 count jumbo crayons. I already took the crayons out of the box and repacked them because I wanted to divide it up. This underwear, Fruit of the Loom, a 10-pack was $6. Girls underwear. I also got these boxer briefs for boys. I believe this is also a 10-pack. And I got Fruit of the Loom for $6. Here is a women's pack of socks. They were $4 for a 10 pair of socks. And another women's sock package. These also came with 10, and these were $5. Not really sure why there was such a price difference. In Halloween clearance, I got this set of chokers for $3. I'm always looking for cute fabric. These were 75 cents in the clearance aisle. This was $1 for this pink cap. This was a bit of a splurge. It's a Lisa Frank notebook. Very cute. And this was a set of puffy stickers with a farm theme. This set was $2. I got this pair of knee-high socks in Halloween clearance for 50 cents. Not too scary. It has a spider and a spider web. This Chelsea Barbie doll was $3.78, so this was also a bit of a splurge. Marked down from $5.88. I'm not sure who these characters are. Tigry and Foxy, $3. I thought they'd be good for a boy box. This was also a bit of a splurge. I know you can get cheaper dry erase markers. This was a set of 6 for $3. But they are Expo. I got a bunch more sunglasses. Most of them were $1. They say $2, but they were cheaper than that. Either $1 or those mongoose ones were actually 50 cents. All these girl style ones were $1. They all rang up $1. I got this set of scrunchies, hair accessories scrunchies for $1. There was only one. So I was happy to get that. I love the colors. 50 cents for these flexible rulers. They were all just black in color. I like rulers that bend a little bit for easier packing. This 2-pack of dresses was $5, so $2.50 each. The design is LOL dolls. I got a bunch of shirts for $3. This one is Hello Kitty. This one is Peanuts. It also came with a face mask. So for $3 for the shirt and mask. This is a girl shirt, but it has Mickey on it. It says Stay Kind, Mickey. It was $3 as well. And the 2-pack of Mandalorian t-shirts, $3, so $1.50 each. and this really, really cute shirt for a girl, for an older girl, with forest creatures on it. So thanks for